So yeah, I done uploaded a video on YouTube. We're talking about Neo and his trifling ways. It all started with Mr. Independent, y'all. He got all of y'all fucked up and then just went on a fuck a bitch over spree. Like, Neo is the epitome of, you gotta watch that nigga. He is the epitome of, you can't, bruh, you can't let Neo be easy for nothing, okay? You have to watch him, because he will fuck you over in your face, smile in your face, and walk out the door and go tell a news organization that y'all are getting a divorce. He's fucked up like that, okay? So yeah, full videos on YouTube. I think I'm funny. And yeah, I'm done. Hey, Iceman. Hello.